Now just picture this. It's a vocally paralyzed patient speaking again in their own voice. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Follow me at cyberguy.com and see why so many people get my newsletter for free. Groundbreaking AI from researchers at UC Berkeley and UCSF are making natural speech possible for some who've lost the ability to speak.
You love me there.
This technology taps into brain signals, decoding neural activity with astonishing precision. Here's how it works. A neuroprosthesis captures signals from the brain's motor cortex, the area responsible for speech. AI then transforms those signals into audible words using the patient's pre-recorded voice. The result? Speech that's fluent, nearly real-time, and in the person's own voice.
Where did you get this?
And while it's not yet perfect, researchers are pushing boundaries to make speech even faster and more expressive. More crazy cool tech like this at cyberguy.com. Get my newsletter for free at that same website.